Ever feel like sugar is sabotaging your kitchen? You try to bake something healthy, but somehow, the recipe turns into cardboard, or worse, you end up adding the sugar back in anyway. And then you sit there thinking, why is it so hard to just use less sugar? Here's the truth, it's not your lack of discipline. It's not a willpower problem. Sugar is literally engineered to keep you hooked. It lights up the brain like fireworks. It keeps cravings alive. And the moment you take it out of your recipes, everything tastes flat, dry, or just sad. But what if you didn't have to give up sweetness at all? What if you could still bake brownies, cookies, muffins, weekend pancakes, the good stuff, without the sugar crash, without the guilt, and without that "I'll start again Monday" cycle? Because yes, you can. And today, I'll show you exactly how to swap sugar for natural, healthier alternatives that actually taste good. Not the bitter stuff. Not the fake sweeteners with weird chemical aftertastes. Real ingredients you can start using today. And your family, your kids, your taste buds, they're going to love it. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about why sugar is such a problem. Most of us know sugar causes weight gain and energy crashes, but the real issue is how sugar affects your brain. Sugar trains your brain to crave more sugar. It's like putting gasoline on a fire. The more you eat, the more you want. There was a study from Yale that found sugar activates the same reward center in the brain that's linked to addiction. That's why one cookie becomes 5. That's why just a taste becomes, why is the whole box gone? So the goal isn't to cut sugar and suffer through boring food. The goal is to replace sugar with something that satisfies your sweet tooth without trapping you in the craving loop. Let's talk about your new baking lineup. Substitute number 1, raw honey. Honey is naturally sweet and smooth, and it works beautifully in baked goods like banana bread, muffins, and breakfast cookies. Here's the trick, honey is sweeter than sugar. So if a recipe calls for 1 cup of sugar, use only 1/2 to 2/3 cup of honey. Picture this, it's Sunday morning. You're making pancakes. Normally, you drown them in syrup. Instead, mix just a teaspoon of honey straight into the batter. Your pancake is sweet from the inside out. No syrup needed. No sugar crash after. Plus, raw honey contains minerals and antioxidants, so your body actually recognizes it, unlike white sugar which your body treats like a chemical. Just remember, honey adds moisture. So reduce the liquid in your recipe just a tiny bit to balance it out. Substitute number 2, pure maple syrup. Not the fake, pancake syrup. I mean real maple syrup. It has a warm, deep flavor that's perfect for oatmeal cookies, pumpkin muffins, even pecan bars. And again, it's sweeter than sugar. So if your recipe calls for 1 cup of sugar, use 1/2 to 3/4 cup of maple syrup instead. Imagine this, it's a chilly Saturday. Coffee brewing. You want something sweet, but you don't want to feel heavy afterward. You make 5-ingredient oat cookies, oats, mashed banana, cinnamon, a little peanut butter, and a drizzle of maple syrup. They come out warm, soft, and comforting, and no crash afterward. Next time you're grocery shopping, look for it near brown sugar. Grab a bag. Swap it in. Done. Substitute number 3, coconut sugar. If you want something closest to regular sugar in taste and texture, this is your winner. And no, it does not taste like coconut. It has a light caramel flavor, and you can swap it 1:1 in pretty much any recipe. Cookies. Brownies. Banana bread. Easy. The best part? Coconut sugar has a lower glycemic index. Which means your blood sugar rises slower. No spike. No crash. No, why do I suddenly need a nap at 2 p.m.? Substitute number 4, fruit. This is where baking gets fun. Ripe bananas, applesauce, dates, these don't just add sweetness. They add moisture, fiber, and nutrients your body actually needs. Making chocolate chip muffins. Mash one ripe banana into the batter. It naturally sweetens, keeps everything soft, and you don't even need oil. Dates are especially powerful. Blend 6 to 7 dates with a splash of hot water. You get a smooth, caramel-like paste. Add that to brownies. You get dense, rich, gooey dessert, with fiber that keeps cravings calm. Now, let's clear up the big myth. Artificial sweeteners are not the solution. 0 calories doesn't mean zero effect. These sweeteners trick your brain into expecting sugar, but your body doesn't receive real nourishment. So cravings get stronger. Your body gets confused. Your metabolism slows down. If you want to reduce cravings and feel in control, your body needs sweetness it actually recognizes. Natural sweeteners do that. Artificial ones don't. So here's your simple, realistic action plan. Step 1. Pick one recipe you bake often. Swap the sugar, just one swap. Keep it simple. Step 2. Pay attention to how you feel afterward. Not just taste, watch your cravings. Step 3. Repeat. Your taste buds will adjust. Your cravings will calm. Your relationship with sweets will change. And remember, this isn't about restriction. This is about freedom. Freedom from finishing the bag. Freedom from guilt. Freedom from the crashy crash spiral. Your health changes through tiny, consistent habits. Not overnight. Not by perfection. But by small, steady switches. Now I want to hear from you. What do you struggle with most? Late-night sweet cravings? Baking for your family? Or just finding the motivation to start? Tell me in the comments, I reply to everyone. And if this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who deserves to feel good in their body again. Your strongest, healthiest life starts one small habit at a time. Let's build it together.